Hey everyone, it's Brian, back with another 3D print. This time it's for Easter. We're printing a model from Maker World today called Spiral Easter Egg Fidget. The author is 3 Dudes. Now I've already pulled into Bambu Studio. I'm going to print 3 egg bodies for Peter Cottontail to deliver tomorrow. And then after that, that's going to take about 3 hours. And then after that, I'm going to print 3 individual egg top pieces. That's going to take about an hour apiece. So we'll check on it in a few hours, and I'll see you then. All right, it's been about 3 hours. Let's open it up and check it out. Cool. Let's give it a flex. Ah! All right, it's been an hour. Let's open it up and check it out. Cool. Rabbit ears. Let's give it a flex. Oh. Awesome. Give it a look. All right, it's been another hour. Let's open it up and check it out. Nice. Let's see if we can flex it. No, because it's got the brim on there. All right, it should just come off. Cool. All right, the last hour has gone by. Let's open it up and check it out. Cool. This is a glow-in-the-dark filament. So we'll see if I can shine a flashlight at it and show you a glow-in-the-dark picture at night. We'll see. But cool. Here's a shot of the one at night. Glow in the dark. Pretty cool. Happy Easter.